There are three particles which are atoms, ions, and molecules. What are the difference between the three of them? How to distinguish them? There are three particles which are atoms, ions, and molecules. What are the difference between the three of them? How to distinguish them? Atoms are remarkably like the solar system. There is a heavy nucleus in the middle and lighter particles orbiting this nucleus. Remember the solar system from primary school? The sun is in the middle, just like the nucleus of an atom, and the sun is heavier than all other objects. Similarly, an atom nucleus is much heavier than the particles orbiting around it. The nucleus contains two kinds of particles mixed together. One type is called protons, and the other is called neutrons. In the solar system, planets are smaller, and they orbit the sun. Similarly, in atoms, electrons are tiny particles that orbit the nucleus at a very high speed. A critical concept of chemistry that you will deal with as long as you study science is the charge of a particle. Some particles are neutral, and some are charged, and they behave very differently. Earlier, I mentioned the three types of particles: atoms, ions, and molecules. Ions are charged particles. The other two types are neutral. Atoms have an overall neutral charge. The reason is that the number of protons is equal to the number of electrons. Hence, the positive and the negative charge cancel each other. For example, an atom of copper has 29 protons and 29 electrons. Remember, protons are positively charged and electrons are negatively charged, so they cancel each other. So, in an atom, the number of protons is always equal to the number of electrons. If they are not equal, we don't call it an atom, we call it an ion.